grouping. So let's say if I were this city, I just make a new group. So this city, I want like it's all this city are in, let's say in Canada. Then I just add a group. Then here I can write Canada. So this is a first group. Then after I can easily select this another one. I can select this group. Okay, this is in USA. So that's how I can group the cities. And okay, so it's group three. So if I select table this is a Canada, means it has all the cities combined in this only that I selected. Three cities are selected for Canada, so three cities combined. Here it's USA. In this also three cities combined. It's called grouping.